This video will review how to create the blue part for the Anaya Puzzle Cube. So first thing, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to Sketch, then I'm going to click on the back plane, here we go. Then go to my line tool, starting here, I will go up 1.5 and then click. And I will go horizontal 1.5 and click. I will go down 0.75 and click. To the right 0.75, click down to the axis, click, and back to the origin and click. Finish sketch, hit E to extrude, pull it towards me, 0.75 for the depth. Enter. Now I will start a new sketch again on this face. Sketch. Two-point rectangle. Then I will start at this vertex here. Click once, move down and to the left. 0.75 and 0.75. Enter. Finish sketch. E. Click on the square. Pull it out. 0.75. Enter. Then the last thing I'll do is go ahead and we're going to apply appearance. Paint. Powder coat smooth. Blue. Go ahead and download this one. Then drag it and put it on the block. Now I'm going to hit save. Call this blue part.